All right, Florida. Andy McCabe here with Claims Delegates and the Claim Clinic podcast. Here's your reminder. If you don't have a drone picture of your roof and the exterior of your house, you need to borrow a drone right now. Who knows where Elsa is going to pay a visit? It could be the Florida Keys. It could be Tampa. It could be the Panhandle. Could be all three, right? And as we know, some of these storms go right through Florida, right up into the Carolinas. If you don't have your house documented, now is the time to do it. And while you're at it, get out your iPhone, get out your smartphone, your Droid phone, and go through your house and document all your stuff. If there's one rule in claims, is if it isn't documented, it didn't happen and it doesn't exist. So make sure it exists. Make sure you have a before documentation of your house and your stuff. Just do it. Don't ask questions. And as always, if the worst does happen, Elsa does come to your door, give me a holler. We'll help you with your claim. Claims Delegates is a licensed public adjusting firm in the state of Florida. So we're here to help. Let me know if you have any questions, claim related, Xactimate related, or other. And in the meantime, take care of yourself, take care of your loved ones, and hope you're well.